A new baby is cause for many joyous moments, but also a lot of changes. And parents aren't the only ones experiencing the change. The baby also needs to get used to their new environment. Crying and screaming is perfectly normal for babies and is an important tool of self-expression. Even well-cared-for babies can cry for a long time. Neither the baby nor their parents can do anything about it.
A crying baby is not out to annoy their parents. The baby is crying because it has an unfulfilled need. When a baby cries, it's important for parents to respond. They need to realise that baby is trying to show them something, and they should try to respond to that. The baby will then be left with a sense that their parents are listening to them, that they're there for them, and that helps create a trusting bond.
Babies cry for lots of different reasons. You'll get to know your child better and better as time passes, and you'll be able to tell whether they're hungry or need to be changed or simply need a cuddle or peace and quiet. If you're not sure if your baby is unwell or in pain, speak to your child's paediatrician or GP. There are many ways to comfort or quieten a baby. But there's no magic formula. So when she's a bit grumpy like this, the thing that helps most is speaking to her and having her able to see us so she can see that everything's okay.
If carrying him doesn't work, placing him in a belly hold position is a big help, especially if he's got a bit of a sore tummy.
Dancing around with me is another thing he likes. Sometimes I'll sing as well. I'm not a great singer, but it's only for the baby.
If we do a lot of walking, he's guaranteed to be in a better mood.
But babies have one particular tendency that can manifest itself in different ways.
Every baby is born with the astonishing ability to self-soothe. They get better and better at it over time, especially if their parents are there to help them. When parents take the time to observe their babies, try things out and take things step by step, they'll soon learn what kind of help their baby needs.
To help your child settle themselves, show them that you're there. You can bend down to their level, look them in the eye, and speak calmly with them. If you lay your hand on their chest, your baby will feel that contact with you. At each step, take the time to observe your child. If your child is having trouble settling this way, help them a bit more. Try to keep calm and just be there. If the crying is too much for you, lay your child down somewhere safe, leave the room for a bit and take some deep breaths. Get someone to help you if you need it.
Babies are generally more even-tempered when they have a set routine. This daily rhythm helps them get their bearings. This, in turn, makes them more well-adjusted.
Engage with your child when they're awake and attentive. But be sure to give your baby plenty of breaks to help them stay relaxed.
The most effective way for a baby to self-soothe depends on the baby and the parents. I always advise parents to be brave and curious and to keep trying things and to try something new every now and again, even if it's something that may not have worked in the past. After all, babies change.
Yay!
Babies tend to cry less the older they get. Children get better and better at self-soothing and are happier and more attentive. You can find more information here. elternsein.info